Not expecting much, but I'm certainly going to drive around, see what I think, and let you guys know. I'll probably end up doing some kind of a video, or at least touching on 91 versus 93. Oh shit. Alright guys, you saw that right. This car now has the 93 Octane tune, and I am very pumped to test this out. Now before I get to the J Green and everything, I actually kind of want to drive around to see if there's any difference between the 91 and the 93 that I now have. Me having the 93 Octane tune, or the Diablo Tune, means one thing, that the EX is now the Platinum, which means that they somehow transferred the files over successfully into my Diablo. I still haven't tried to load up the J Green tune, but when I was messing around with the T2, I saw that the Diablo tune was on there, and so for my lunch break I decided to load it up. And the next couple of days, I'm going to drive around with it, and we're going to see if there's a difference, if there's any kind of noticeable difference between the 91 and the 93. I don't think there's going to be that big of a difference. I don't think there's going to be that noticeable of a difference because, the 91 is supposed to give you, I think it was 13 horsepower and, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't have the statistics in front of me, high teens in torque. And the 93 is supposed to give you, I think it's like a two extra horsepower and two or three extra torque. So I'm not expecting much, but I'm certainly going to drive around, see what I think, and let you guys know. I'll probably end up doing some kind of a video, or at least touching on 91 versus 93. Oh shit. Alright, that's freaking awesome. Oh my god. So, the thing is, I have to give a big shout out to Diablo. I'll tell you, their customer service was unbelievable. Yup. Yeah, they're a really good company. I am so glad that I ended up getting this T2. It's such a cool product. It really is. There's a couple of little weird things that happen with it, but for the most part, for the price that you get it at, and for everything, it just is. It's awesome. I absolutely love the display and the tunes on it out of the factory, out of the box. They're actually really good tunes. If you're just a person that just wants a 25 extra horsepower, this product is really good. Right out of the box, you don't need a custom tune. Obviously you should get a custom tune if you want to maximize the performance parts of your car. But this is certainly going to be a noticeable difference. So for anybody that's thinking about getting another car, you know who you are. Maybe you should try and upgrade your tune, because this thing is going to really transform the car. That was good. So far, so good. Freaking Diablo. Good shit, man. I love when a company has good customer service. It's so good, because I often find myself in situations where I need customer service. And to have good customer service,